Hi, this is Aya. Welcome to our factory. Today, I want to lead you around in our factory to show how we make our products. Let's go. Here is our material warehouse, and this is our glass jar. We have stocked a lot of glass jars to fulfill our customers' orders. Because if we stock the jars, we can complete the order quickly. Here is our melting oven. We use this machine to melting our wax into the liquid and turn into the glass containers. And this is our solar wax. We make a lot of solar wax for US market. And you can see our solar wax are packaged in the plastic bag because they are really soft. So you can see this is our solar wax. Do you see that? My finger can plug into the wax because the solar wax is very soft. It is very little sorbet scent. So our solar wax is very high quality. It can issue the candles burning very safety and very steady, and also it can release the fragrance very well. And also it is very good for the wooden wick and also the cotton wick. So you see that? It's like, and here is our melting oven. Our wax will be put into this oven for heating, and then it will get into the liquid, and you can see it is already in the liquid. These are solar wax. These are prepared for our next day's production. And here is our small fragrance sample room. We have 1,000 fragrances in stock regularly. And besides this fragrance, we can also customize any fragrance per customer's requirement. And you can see this is our small fragrance sample. And we have the domestic fragrance brand, and we also have the world's famous branded fragrance such as the IFF, Giverden, Firmenich, and also CPL from the UK. So for the fragrance, we use all high quality to issue our final candles. We have a very good scent relief when the customer buy it. So you can have a close look on our candles, our candle fragrance. We are in different bottles. Here is our fragrance barrel. You can see that we use the IFF. Besides the IFF, we can also use the Giverden and the Firmenich and a lot of other branded fragrance, and also our domestic fragrance. So that actually depend on customers' requirements. We can also do the domestic fragrance, and also we can do the branded fragrance. We are capable in customize any fragrance channel. So if you have your detailed fragrance requirement, welcome to check out. And this is our wooden wick. As you can see, our wooden wick consists of 2 pieces of wood, and we then assemble it into a camp, so that we will use this to put in each glass containers, and we'll use the glue to stick it inside the container. We are really good at to produce these wooden wick candles, and our wooden wicks can have a very cracking sound when burning the candles. And if you are want to develop your branded wooden wick candles, welcome to check out. And we are experienced in producing such high quality wooden wick candles. This machine is our screen printing machine. Use this machine, we can do any colors screen printing for the customers on the glass jar. For screen printing machine, it can almost printing 1 color each time, but it looks very good, and also the price can be cheaper. So screen printing is also widely used in our customized candles. And here you can see this is our 14-ounce metal black glass jar candles. This is very old hot seller in US market. Our black painting is very, very, very detailed, very smooth, and the color is very steady. The quality is like ceramic. And here is our automatic pouring production line, because this line can produce the candles 20,000 per day. So it needed the MOQ 20,000 to produce the candles on this automatic pouring line. So for the customers with lower quality, we will use our hand pull. So we have the hand pull way, and we also have the machinery. That depends on the customer's quality and also their requirements. So let's give a look on our production line inside. This is a 100 meters long automatic production line. It can stick the wick, pour in the wax, and dry the wax candle, and after it's dry, the candles will complete the production process. And then we'll go to the next package. Here is our semi-automatic pouring machine. We have 9 machines in our factory. We choose which pouring wick depending on customers' order quantity and also their fragrance quality, because one machine can hold 300 kilogram wax each time. So we have to calculate how much this wax can pour into the different types of candles. So that's why the MO code for different types of candles are different. So we have 3 ways to pour in the candles. First is hand pouring, and second is a semi-automatic pouring machine, and third is a fully automatic pouring machine. So use which machine that depends on customers' order quantity and also the customer's requirements, because some customers' brand is elevated for the handcrafted, so we'll use the hand pour. But some customers' order quantity is very big, so we'll use the fully automatic pouring machine. And some customers' order quantity is between the handcrafted and a fully automatic, so we'll use the semi-automatic pouring machine. We use the different machines for improve the production efficiency. I will show you our machine to issue our candles at good quality. As you can see, this is a heat machine. So what is the machine used for? It's for the sour wax, very easy for have the order in hot temperature. So when in the winter we do the candles, we will put the candles in the heat machine to issue that the candles that we produce in the winter will not have the order when the customer is there in summer. So this machine is very important to issue our candles in good condition if we produce the candles in the operating seasons for customers in market. And this machine is a UV weathering test machine. This machine is for issue that the candles were not getting discoloring when in UV weathering. So this machine is for the testing the UV weathering test. And this is for the 7 lines. We have the different colors in the sunlight. So this is just for imitate the later sunlight to prevent this sunlight to make the candles different color. The wax is a chemistry product, and it will get discoloring when in the lines and also in the heat. So we use these machines to do the test to make sure that our candles, no matter in the heat or no matter on the different lines, can make steady quality. This workshop is our package workshop. In this workshop, we will do the label, we will do the gift box, all the other packages, and then into the master carton. So that you can see our workers' table are full of candles, and they will do the labeling work the next day. So these are the preparing for the next day's work. And these are the wooden wick candles with a wooden lid. So it's very rustic wick. These are our cartons. Our cartons will be flat, and once we do the package, we will fold it into a carton shape and put the product inside. This is our completed products warehouse, and you can see these goods are waited to delivery to our customers. Now we have a lot of goods here, and there you can see that our warehouse are in very good order. All the goods are packaged in the limited area. We have the lines in the warehouse, so our warehouse is very standard. You can see that all the cartons are put on the pallet in this way, so the ground will not be dirty or wet our cartons. You'll see all our cartons are put on the pallet, so we protect our completed cartons very well. So issue that our candles from the making and to the final delivery are all in good condition to the delivery to our customers. So today I have a video around in our factory to show how we make the candles. And if you are interested in candles production, welcome to contact us, and welcome to visit our factory when your time is available.